Okay, and welcome back. So let's continue and add a snake to our map and update it. So first we need to store in a list our snake. So this is going to be also a coordinate, and let's call this snake. This is going to be a new array list, and at start we are going to add snake, generate this. This is going to be a public void add snake, and this is going to be a private void add snake. So basically I'm going to add this here at the private functions, and this is going to just add the initial snake element. So snake dot add new coordinate, let's say 7 7. This is going to be our head. I'm going to copy paste this several times. Let's start with 5. Let's make it 6. So till 7, from 7 till 2, we are generating a new snake. But what if we already had a game? We need to clear that snake. So here, snake, let's make it here, snake dot clear. So this is removing all the elements from the snake list, and we also need a new variable which is going to be our current direction. No, this direction we don't have a direction yet. So okay, let's make a new enum. This is going to be direction, and the direction is going to be north, east, south and west. Make sure you are having this order, because I'm going to use these values, because enums has values. It starts maybe from 0 or from 1. So this is going to be 1, this is going to be 2, 3 and 4, and I'm going to use this in a function later on to decide if we need to change direction or not, because if the snake is going to east and you swipe left, you cannot go to west, you just continue to go to east. But if you swipe down, you start to go south. Okay, so direction, current direction, and for start it's going to be, because it's facing east, this is going to be east. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm to create an update function, which is going to be a public void update. This for start going to choose if which direction we are going, and I'm going to use create missing. So the north is going to call the another private function, which is going to be private void update snake, and int x, int y. So this is going to call if we are going north, then this is going to call update snake with 0 changing on the x-axis and -1 on the y-axis, same as is update snake, but here we are going right, so 1 0 update snake. This is going to be 0 0 1, and this is going to be update snake -1 0. So let's make our update snake method. Update snake basically works like going from the tail to till the head, and update the coordinates when every time we move. So for let's and this is going to be the snake dot size -1, and this is going to be greater than 0, and we not increment, we are decrementing. So we get the snake dot get I dot set x. This is going to be so get I -1 dot get x, same as on the y-axis. Set y snake dot get I -1 dot get y, and this is going to update our snake very well. Okay, in our main activity we need an update handler to update the game. So let's make it. So private final handler, and this is going to be a new handler, and I'm going to create a new private function that's going to start our handler. So handler dot post delayed new runnable, and this is going to generate everything for us. First we need the game engine to update itself, and if the game engine dot get current game state, which is not a return function yet, not equals to game state dot running, then we call this handler again with an update delay. So let's make a delay. So private final long update delay, and this is going to be equal to 125. So every eighth millisecond we updating our game. So update delay, and we update the snake map. Nothing here after this, and we also invalidate the map, and we when creating the application we update we start updating. But let's make this get current game state method. So if we go back into our game engine, we have to make a new game state variable, which is going to be also a private game state current game state. This is going to be game state running, and I also need a public getter to get this this variable, get current game state return current game state. Okay, what is your problem? Oh, and we need a update delay here as well, because basically handler post delayed is the same function as this, but this is calling this handler this runnable function again and again and again if it's running, but because it will never stop, I'm going to check if we are hitting a wall. So go back, and in our update function, let's comment this out and call this update the snake, and here check wall collision. Okay, so it's quite simple. Coordinate W from the walls for each for all the walls, and if snake.get 0, which is our snake head, equals to W, then current game state equal to game state lost, and this is going to stop from updating. What I'm going to do is maybe I should in the coordinate class, yeah, I don't know how the equals work, so let's override the equals function, and let's shift insert, no, alt insert and generate equals. Next, yeah, and I don't need this hash code, and this is going to check if the x coordinates are the same and the y coordinates are same. So we don't really need to check the classes, we just need to check the x and y axis. Okay, and in here I'm just going to show if equals to game state lost, then we are going to make a toast message just to show you lost, and show it toast length short dot show, and no, because this so the context is not the same, so let's call a function on game lost, and this is going to be a private void on game lost, and this is going to print our text. Okay, stop this and restart it, and I hope it's gonna work well. So the basic idea, we will have these statements in a switch case, and I think I did not add. Oh, and we have to add the snake to our time map. So for yeah, we have to add it. Coordinate snake. Let's call this as in a snake, and map s.getx s.getY equal tile type snake tail, and then map snake.get0.getx and snake.get0.getY equal to tile type snake head. So basically we added to our map, we added the whole snake as a snake tail, but we wanted to show with different color to our snake head, so we made that snake head. Okay, as you can see, it's not working quite well because I think I'm not updating the snake head, and it's just so basically every time it just goes to one point. So let's fix that in our update snake method, because the snake.0, so okay, so update the snake head. So snake dot, oh my god, dot get 0 dot set x is going to be snake dot get 0 dot get x plus x, and the same snake dot get 0 dot set y is equal to snake dot get 0 dot get y plus y. That's why we added these x and y values, and this is based on where we are facing. It's going to update the snake head and as well as the tail. Okay, so basically my camera is just shut off. So what I wanted to make is the snake head to move. So get y 0 dot set x is going to be snake head dot get dot 0 dot get x plus x, and snake dot get 0 dot set y equal to snake dot get 0 dot get y plus y. And as you can see, it will work just fine. If I open up the emulator, I close these applications. Okay, I closed the one that I needed. So as you can see, it's moving and it's working and it's printing that you lost. That's it for now. Thank you very much for watching. Next time we will make swipe gestures. Thank you. Please subscribe if you like it. Have a nice day. Bye.